Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Lenovo ThinkPad laptop available right now, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 1. Designed for business professionals and power users, this laptop strikes a perfect balance between performance, portability, and value. Let's kick things off with the design and display. The E16 Gen 1 features a large 16-inch WXGA-IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. That extra vertical screen real estate is a real productivity booster, especially when working on spreadsheets or writing code. The 300 nit brightness ensures you get a clear and vibrant picture whether you're indoors or near a window. It comes in a sleek graphite black finish, and the overall chassis reflects the classic ThinkPad ruggedness and minimalism. Now under the hood, this machine is powered by AMD's Ryzen 5 7530U, a hexa-core processor with 12 threads. It starts at 2.0 GHz but can boost up to 4.5 GHz. This processor isn't just about raw speed, it's about efficiency. Combined with AMD Radeon integrated graphics, this setup is more than capable of handling day-to-day business workloads, multitasking, and even light creative or development tasks. When it comes to memory and storage, the version we're looking at is equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. That's split between 8 GB onboard and 8 GB via SATA, which means you do have upgrade options down the line. Storage is handled by a 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, fast enough for snappy boot times, quick application loads, and seamless file transfers. The typing experience, as you'd expect from a ThinkPad, is excellent. It features a backlit keyboard, known for its comfortable key travel and durability. There's also a fingerprint scanner for secure logins, and a reliable precision trackpad, paired with the iconic red trackpoint for those who prefer traditional ThinkPad navigation. Connectivity options are also impressive. You get two USB 3.2 Type-C ports, HDMI, a headphone, mic combo jack, Ethernet LAN via RJ45, and integrated Wi-Fi 6 along with Bluetooth 5.2 for fast wireless performance. For professionals who deal with multiple peripherals or require expanded connectivity, Lenovo bundles this unit with the Dockstrom portable USB hub. This hub supports super-fast data sync speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, a great bonus for your desk setup or for working on the go. Powering everything is a 3-cell 47 watt-hours battery, and the 65W power supply should get you topped up relatively quickly. While battery life will vary depending on your usage, for most productivity tasks, it should carry you through a solid workday. And all of this runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you access to features specifically tailored for business environments, like advanced security, BitLocker encryption, and better support for remote and hybrid work scenarios. To wrap things up, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 is built for those who want a reliable business laptop with strong performance, great connectivity, and that classic ThinkPad user experience. Whether you're working from home, at the office, or on the move, this laptop is more than capable of keeping up with your demands. If you're looking to upgrade to a dependable business laptop, the ThinkPad E16 Gen 1 is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dive reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.